आयज आमची बाणावलेची फिरगोची आमच्या पातुरांची घेवन स्नान जाता जुवांवांची आमी परत सुमरुयता. जरूय पावसाचो काळ तरूय जायतो लोक नव्यान येवन आनी आतां हे पयले मीस जाल्ले आसा आनी हे भाशेन मागीर जुवांव बातिस्ताची भक्ती आमचे सगळे आसा.
Culture, heritage, tradition is very important for us to show what we have. We have already started the theme of Goa beyond beaches, and as we travel to the hinterland and we start talking about our ecosystem in the hinterlands areas, in ecotourism and other areas, it is very important to take our festivities to the next level. We have only been talking about Shigmo and Carnival, so as we take those to the next level, we need to ensure that festivals which mean a lot to Goa. Saujuang is a celebration of it's a feast which is celebrated. Similarly, Chikal Kalo. So all communities coming together, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, in Goa has been the theme. We go in each other's house for Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and similarly festivities we expect everybody to come together and have this sense of togetherness. And for the domestic and international tourists coming in, as we market it, we expect them to come and enjoy Goa to the fullest, to what Goa has as its own culture and tradition.